Hey YouTube, it's your boy Smokey, and I'm coming to you with an unboxing today. Make sure I just go like this. And just cut this motherfucker off, you feel me? You're not about to know where I live. Or the shipping address. I'm not slow. On my mama type shit. Damn, you feel me? Amazon Prime. Came here a little bit later than what I thought. But I'm not going to tell you where it is. If you watch my previous YouTube video, you see. But thought I needed this knife, but I don't. Okay. What are you? Okay, say ring light, you feel me? I want to see how Injan work. What? Baby. Came with a little stand, you feel me? And this came with another stand, and it came with the phone clip, you feel me? Gotta test this baby out. Alright. Let's get this John. Let's undo this John. Ooh. Let's see if it makes a difference. If it didn't, I'm sending it back. I'm sending it back. Okay, bam. Okay. Now, going to hit the power button. Oh yeah. Oh, YouTube videos is about to be like, you can't even see this but oh yeah. Had a little ring in there. I turn him up. I turn him up a little bit. I could dim him down. Ooh, I can dim him down. Oh shit. It's the little natural light setting and the white light setting, and then both of them Johns. I can turn all of them up. Ooh, that John get bright, but ooh, with the ooh. Alright, that's enough playing with this toy, you feel me? But let's put it on the stand real quick. Get the fuel, you know, the full review, you feel me? Oh my god, this one is so much better because I can actually see it going straight. I don't know, OCD was kicking in when I had my other one. I should show you my other one. Other one a little weird. It's broke though. It's broke. Like, I was playing around and dropped and broke them. So, bam, thank you, ma'am. Hit that down right here, and I got lighting, whoa, I got lighting. Okay, that's enough playing with that down for real. And I got a phone stand. I like this. This one's swivel John too. Alright, I thought I was tweaking. I'm like, how my phone's supposed to fit in him, John. But yeah, your phone go here. Turn that John sideways, up and down actions, or to the side. Shit hot, you feel me? But I also got, I don't know what this is called. I'm gonna have a name right here so you can see it yourself. But I got me a mic to clip on my shirt so I can talk to you better. So amazing. It has the one that goes on the phone. It has the one that goes in the camera. I just think that's amazing. We're gonna test this. We're gonna test this. I'll be back. Okay, this is me testing out everything. This is your boy Smoke. I don't know if it sound right, but you know, if it do, please like, comment, subscribe. All the links to everything will be in the description. So go get it if you want it. And like I said, baby, Raw sponsored me. Raw sponsored you nigga. So yeah, soon I'm gonna have some people hitting me up and we gonna collab, you know, non-YouTubers, couple rappers, you know, normal, regular, degular shit, you feel me? But if you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe. Love you, kids. I don't have it. I can't find it. See how good these Johns work though. I'm gonna take the clip out, clip it on my shirt. Do what I'm supposed to do because I'm a YouTuber. I'm a YouTuber. So bam. Ooh. That's that little boy in there acting a fool. He's acting a donkey. Okay. Clip in. Bam. Put this on my shirt. Ow, that hurts. Oh yeah. Hopefully this. I ain't even got it plugged up, but you feel me? I'm happy I got some shit for you. You feel me? Shit nice. Should've got the adapter, John, so I can be a little bit farther away type shit. But you know, it is what it is. I got what I got. But one more thing. This John, I've been talking about it for a grip. It's the raw Rollin tray with the donuts, cause I'm a fat ass boy. John's amazing. All these things together came out to about $39. So yeah, shit lit for real. It was $39 change. My niggas mad excited. Like excited. Like I'm about to go make another couple YouTube videos if car alarms don't keep going off and shit. Like, bitch, get your car. Dirty bitch. Your shit failing. Get your shit. Stupid hoe. And they still ain't get their shit, bro. Now I hope somebody really broke into their shit. I hope you got a reason to make my video like in the middle of this bitch. Like, I hope you got a reason. I'm about to show you what everything looked like when I put John on the stand and shit. You feel me? So, I'll be right back with you.